back at Orange Bricks with Marcos, and I have a custom mock I made. This is a bat train. And if you're thinking there is no such thing as a bat train, actually there is. From 1955 in the comic and in the TV series, there was actually a bat train. It didn't look at all like this. It looked nothing like this. Anyway, this does have power functions, and I'll show you it running at the end of this video, or at the end of the stream, I should say. Anyway, I'll be in chat right over there. Sorry, last time I didn't. It was a bad time for me. Accidentally said it at the wrong time. Anyway, but the first part of the build I worked on was the wings. And you're probably saying, what are so special about the wings? Well, there's a crank back here. And with one crank move, you can move both of the bat wings. Flip it around. Behind, you've got this lever sticking out. I'll just zoom in on that right here. And when you turn it, the wings move up and down. So when the train isn't in action, it looks like this, but when it is, it looks like this. Then I worked on the walls and stuff, because you always need walls for things like this. But it has two main trailers, the main thing and the little part where you get the coal and stuff. But that was just to hide my big clunky power functions. You're probably asking why they're so big and clunky. Well, because I've got the one from 2005. I don't know why I have that, but I just do. Anyway, this does have power functions, and I'm going to show you inside in just a second. These two compartments can clip off easily, but you need to detach this wire thingy. You know what? First, I'll show you this back part. Back part? I just finished like 15 minutes ago, and it was the last thing I worked on. At the back, you've got a little bat symbol and a batarang just hanging off of the side for Batman. And you turn this to the side, and you actually have a little compartment that holds a couple of more batarangs. And right here, you've got the big green button. You click, and then it's ready to start its power functions running. Let's look at the inside. I now have the bat train tilted to the side because this is how I'm going to show you the interior. And it has way more interior than you think. So at the front, you remove Batman. You've got some seats that he sits on, steering wheel, also a couple chairs for Batman and Robin because they go around in the country on their bat train. There's more than just that. You open this part up, and there's a bed that Robin and Batman squeeze themselves to sleep in. Over here, there is a kitchen sink that has a lobster in it, which is a Batman's favorite food. One of my favorite foods, too, actually. The receiver's right there. And behind, you have a toilet seat where Batman or Robin can sit and do their business. And right there, you see all the gears. I'll just try my best to show you how that function works. Sorry, this bat wing keeps falling because it's delicate. Anyway, so when you catch the Joker, what do? You don't just throw them somewhere and forget about them. So, over here, in the hood, after you have closed everything up, can eventually open the front hood, and then that's where the Joker stays in his little jail cell that is very uncomfortable. And it's going to be a very, very bumpy ride. So I don't recommend doing something bad in front of Batman, and he's going to lock you up. Anyway, one thing I don't like, there we go. These wheels are so squeaky. All they do is squeak. Like this. Anyway, got a couple stairs on the side, and the front turned out pretty good for what I wanted as a bat train. The real bat train, or the one that at least Batman and Robin go in, has the Batman shield at the front, and this looks nothing like the real thing. Anyway, the moment you've all been waiting for. We're gonna go outside and we're gonna drive this train. Dun dun dun!